Hey everyone, today, I'm diving into the top 5 best water dispensers of 2025 from sleek, bottom-loading models to reliable top-loaders. We've got options for every setup, whether at home or in the office. I'll walk you through each model specs, real-world performance, standout features, pros and cons, and who each is best for. So stay tuned until the end. I'll share a personal recommendation based on your needs like convenience, design, maintenance, or budget. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get hydrated the smart way. Number 1. Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler, 3 temps, LED display, stainless steel, bottom loader. This Brio model delivers both aesthetics and convenience. The stainless steel finish complements modern kitchens or offices, and the bottom loading design makes swapping bottles easy. The LED display keeps you informed when you're nearing an empty jug, and the child safety lock brings peace of mind. Bottom loading style, no heavy lifting, offers hot, room, and cold water. Child safety lock, LED display with empty bottle alert. Sleek stainless steel design. Pros, stylish and modern look. Easy to read LED alerts. Safe hot water feature. Elevated convenience with bottom loading. A stylish and practical everyday dispenser for homes and small offices. Number 2. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler, Limited Edition, Bottom Loader with Self-Cleaning. According to Bob Vila's tests, Brio's self-cleaning model was praised for its quiet operation and sanitizing convenience. Tester Paul Rankin called it amazing. Hot water comes out steaming cold. Water is incredibly refreshing. The self-cleaning ozone or UV system helps prevent biofilm and reduce maintenance. Same tri-temp setup and bottom loading comfort. Adds automatic self-cleaning feature, UV or ozone-based. Pros, low maintenance with self-sanitizing. Energy efficient and quiet. Child safety included as standard. Families or offices wanting hygiene first. Low maintenance water dispensing. Number 3. Brio Limited Edition Top Loading Water Cooler Classic Top Loader. The traditional top loading option is a familiar and reliable format. While efficient and safe for kids, lifting heavy bottles onto the top can be cumbersome, so this works better with two-person setups or if you have help. Holds 3 or 5 gallon bottles on top. Provides hot and cold water. Child safety lock. Energy Star approved design. Pros, economical and familiar design. Reliable temperature options. Energy Star certification. Budget conscious users who don't mind maintenance and want a tried and true design. Number 4. Euhomy Hot and Cold Top Loading Water Dispenser Office Home Workhorse. Euhomy's offering balances utility with affordability. While not as feature-rich or stylish as Brio, it's dependable and fits well in busy environments. Reviews emphasize its solid build for offices or kitchens. Top-loading design for 3 or 5 gallon jugs. Offers both hot and cold water. Comes with child safety lock. Pros, cost-effective and reliable performance. Safety lock standard. Easy to refill and operate. Basic, reliable hydration in mid-size offices or homes. Number 5. Igloo Bottom Loading Water Cooler, Tri-Temp, Stainless Steel, Bottom Loader. The Igloo model brings ease of use and a durable aesthetic to the table. Bottom loading removes the lifting hassle, and the tri-temp option offers flexible hydration. While reviews are positive, it doesn't include extras like alerts or self-cleaning. Bottom loading for 3 and 5 gallon jugs. Hot, cold, and room temperature water available. Safe and sleek stainless steel build with child safety lock. Pros, no lifting required. Elegant and durable stainless design. Safe for families. Stylish, hassle-free dispensing in kitchens or shared spaces. Best overall. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loader premium features like auto-cleaning and refined design make it worth the investment for long-term convenience. Most stylish and functional. Brio Bottom Loading, LED, blends design with practical alerts. Best budget top loader. Brio Limited Edition Top Loading, solid performance at a lower cost. Best reliable performer. Euhomy, no frills but dependable. Best design forward option. Igloo Bottom Loading, great look and easy use. Personal pick, if I were choosing right now, I'd go for the Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loader. The convenience of self-sanitizing, the bottom loading ease, and child safety make it a standout. Which one fits your space best? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget like, subscribe, and use the links in the description to grab the best deals on your pick. Stay hydrated, and catch you next time.